Has the type of AI that can help us with time management arrived yet? A lot of clients and workshop participants ask me what online platform or software they can purchase that will schedule their days for them and shift and reprioritize as needs change and make sure they finish everything that they're supposed to. I'm sure most of them are asking this jokingly, but in reality, they're also partially serious. We all want that easy button so that we don't have to think about what to do. It's easier to avoid a decision than make one. And when we avoid those decisions, our time management just goes down the tubes. Enter AI, artificial intelligence. This science has made great strides over the years, but is it advanced enough to make all of these time management decisions that possibly you and definitely all of my clients are seeking? The answer is no, not yet anyway. Currently, any type of AI needs to be programmed manually and or allowed to scour databases in order to learn patterns. It is not humanly possible to manually load every type of time management scenario and thinking process and decision making algorithm for every single human on earth. You can't load that into an AI system. But that's where automation and technology can come in, right? I mean, let that AI system scour the world for information. Is that what you think? Problem. This AI system would read anything and everything that is publicly posted and accessible online. So this would include jokes and wishful thinking and children's stories or the ramblings of possibly somebody who is mentally unstable. This AI system would base patterns on people's time management fantasies, on fantastical stories from children, on incorrect information, on misleading information. Do you see where this is going? If you're not grasping how AI could be a huge failure in this case or in other cases, check the link down in the description box for a story you can read about and listen to. The AI that could currently be used would spit out incorrect decisions based on incorrect or misleading or inaccurate information. Oh my goodness, the time management decisions it can make for you would most likely be far worse than anything you could experience by avoiding making these decisions in the first place. So, for the meantime, if you want improved time management, you will need to be the one to make decisions about how you want to use your time. In the future, a more important question to ask is, do you want AI to be able to do this for you? I mean, perhaps I have seen entirely too many sci fi movies, but I do believe that the day technology can implement this kind of thinking and planning and decision making for us is the day we have lost control of the planet to robots. On that note, in honor of Mr. Spock from Star Trek, I will leave you with live long and prosper.